Hello YouTube, today we have a 2008 Honda Civic. We're gonna do the Vtec switch gasket. This car have an oil leak from the Vtec switch gasket. So to start with, we're gonna remove the plastic cover on the top of the windshield, and then we're gonna remove the metal under that. On this car we don't have to remove the windshield wipers motor or mechanic. So this metal right here is held with the couple 10mm bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those, and so we can replace the gasket for the Vtec switch. It's very common leak on the Honda Civic, Honda Accord, the Odyssey. Once that gasket is old, it start leaking oil from there. This is the metal under that plastic we moved from the windshield wipers. Right now we have better access to the Vtec switch. It's got three 10mm bolts and two connectors. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the connectors, and we open those 10mm bolts like this, and we just wiggle it. It's just stuck because the gasket is old. Here we go. And we're gonna go ahead and replace that gasket. That gasket have a screen. If that screen is clogged, the car will have a check engine light saying Vtec switch, and it will not shift the transmission properly. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that, clean all this, and replace the gasket with a new one. We drain the old oil, and we're gonna remove the old gasket. It's kind of stuck in there. I'm gonna use a tool to remove it. Here is the new gasket. You can see the screen right there. It gotta be cleaned. If you don't change the oil on time and stuff, it may get dirty and gets clogged, which you won't let any oil go through the Vtec switch, and will make check engine on and a lot of other stuff. But in this case, we just have an oil leak from this. And we're gonna put it back, put the 10mm bolts. We're gonna clean that spot. I'm trying to focus right there. Yes, we're gonna clean there with some very fine sandpaper or something. There you go. So now we can go ahead and put it back, put those 10mm bolts to hold it, and put the connectors together. And we just put back everything that we took off to reach this Vtec switch, and it should be all good. Thank you for watching.